Hi guys, this is a big day. I just got a package in the mail last night and I want to show it to you. These are the first physical copies of our new anthology that I put together with Baen books, Tales of the United States Space Force. Let's take a look. Smells like a bookstore. Look at that, look at that. Put this box aside. This has been a long time coming. The idea for this started back in 2017 when I was on a panel about then the proposed Space Corps, and talked to a fellow at the Air Force Staff and Command College in 2018 who wanted to do an anthology kind of as a promotional thing for the Air Force. And we talked about that for a few months until he retired, and then it kind of fell by the wayside until the thing actually happened. And when the Space Force started making public announcements, people had a lot of misconceptions. And as a military brat myself, I realized I was in a good position to do something about that. So here we have it, Tales of the United States Space Force, science fiction stories by some of today's best, and articles explaining the true origin of the Space Force and dispelling myths about it. And it's an actual, real, physical book. I'm kind of excited about this, as you may be able to tell, dedicated to the memory of Mike Resnick, whose pay-it-forward generosity touched all us Writers of the Future newbies, lucky enough to sit up with him in the bar, sipping equally of soda and wisdom. And I know it would mean a lot to Mike. This will be out in June. By Baen Books, distributed by Simon & Schuster. Pre-order your copies today.